So how did the, by the way, howdy, Redesert Boy here. So how did things go at the range after we got the Taylors & Company Cattleman antique finish back, which is really a Cattleman II, after the repairs were made? To the, my understanding, basic understanding was it did have to do with the spring-loaded firing pin and also some timing. So how did the results turn out? Well, let's take a look when I went to the range. So I ended up shooting 250 grain Magtech Cowboy action, what they call L flat, which are like lead. They're kind of flat topped, kind of round nose, kind of flat top. It's called L flats. So these were all at 7 yards, except for the one that's down here, right there. These other guys are all 7 yards. Okay, so this was the central one. The first 10 rounds I shot were right in here at 7 yards. I think we can say it did pretty good. It didn't have any failures to fire. This one up here was with the right hand. I shot some rounds. And this over here was with the left hand. These were all 7 yards. This one was at 20 yards. I haven't tried any long distance shooting with it. Of course, it has, you know, some pretty basic sights. So I can see I was kind of shooting off to the left, but this is a 20-yard shot with that. So I think that turned out pretty decently. We had no failures to fire on 25 rounds that were fired, loading 5 rounds at a time, of course. So that was kind of how things turned out. I'll look forward to the next time I take the Rossi 45 Colt and the Cattleman out to the range, and we'll do a little more distance, you know, maybe, you know, 10 yard with the pistol. Might try some, if I can get that out to 25 yards. Of course, we'll do some longer distance with the Rossi. But as Redesert Boy always says, be safe out there, whatever you're doing. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye now. Just wanted to say one more thing, is that I want to thank Ben and his team for excellent customer support, including the armor there at American Shooters, you know, here in Las Vegas. So thank you, and I appreciate you seeing that got everything working for me again. So as Redesert Boy always says, be safe out there, whatever you're doing. Bye now.